next Sephora Favorites kit is the Clean Me Up kit. And it is $58 with $136 value. And in this one, we get 3 full size. The Colfie Brow Gel, the Tower 28 Mascara, and the Lawless Lip. We also get a small LYS, a small Merit, a small Fenty, Glow Recipe, and Ole Henriksen, which everybody adores. I don't see it, but I keep trying it, hoping that I'll see it eventually. But here's the kit. I love whenever Sephora comes out with their favorites kits, and whenever the seasons change, I'm constantly searching on the app, Sephora favorite, Sephora favorite, Sephora favorite, and seeing. Here's inside the bag. I have the Tower 28 mascara in Jet. This is the black one. They did come out with the Drift one. It's good. It's a good mascara. I do like it. The Fenty Fat Water. This is a hydrating milky toner essence. I'm looking forward to trying that. And that's a nice size sample. I could use that whenever I travel, or I can just use that to see what I feel about Fenty. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. So one of my issues is I don't need to be all tan and bronze goddessy, right? I prefer Ice Queen vibes. So I don't know if I'm actually going to use this or not. It just looks sturdy, right? So that's probably going to go to somebody else. They can try it. They will love it. Like, everyone likes to be bronzy except me, and I live in Florida. Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Instant Glow Moisturizer. So I thought this was an under the eye at first. It's not. It's just a normal moisturizer. So that's a small amount. I'll try this one and see, maybe this is what's going to get me to change my mind and say, oh my gosh, Ole Henriksen has the best products. Because right now I'm like, meh. Little Baby Merit Blush in Stockholm. I do believe I have Stockholm at home. It's a pretty shade, and then we'll just pat it in. It's very pretty. That's going to go in my travel kit. I was debating if I have that at home, am I going to keep it or not, but it is very nice. You know what? I think I need some more. Look at that. Yes. Here's the LYS. Look at how adorably cute this is. This is their bronzer stick in Courage. Now, I have a light complexion, and I usually keep with the fair and the light for contour and for bronzing because too much looks orange. Yay for me. Okay, here we go. We ready? Oh, that is so dark. Let's see how it buffs out. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Let's try it and see, you know, what's the worst that can happen is I take it off right away. And of course, my makeup brushes are in the other room. Oh my. Yeah, you know what? That is the worst that can happen. So we'll just dab it off with the Kleenex I just used to take my lip stuff off. Yeah, that's too dark for me. I will put that in my bag for someone else. Oh yeah, still way too dark. But it's okay. Okay, moving on. Here's Colfie. I've been trying a few of the Colfie products and I really like it. So this is Free the Brow Volumizing Brow Gel. And let's see, we untwist it. And we've got the brow gel spoolie. And you see how it's tapered? That works, okay. And then we put it back on. And then we can pop off this top and we can groom with the comb. Or with the brush, probably brush beforehand, comb after, right? I do like how that is organized, so you do have that together. We'll see how this dries. If it stays tacky, if it dries and it's crunchy, I don't know. We're gonna find out. Lawless, forget the filler in cherry vanilla. Cherry vanilla is my favorite. Okay, so let's take off this lip. This is the Makeup by Mario from the last Sephora Favorites kit I just opened. And I love it. It's very pretty. And it lasted with me talking. Here's the cherry vanilla from Lawless. So we got more coming out with this one. Oh yeah, I'm keeping that one. Yeah, I like that shade. That's very pretty. Okay, so was this one worth it? It was $50. The Forget the Filler, yes. The Tower 28, yeah, it's a great one. The Colfie to try, yeah, you know, I like to have some different brow gels to try, and it feels good so far. And then the samples, yes, for this. Someone else is going to get this one. That doesn't work for me at all. This to try. Someone else is going to get this one, and I'm going to try this one. So for me, was this worth it? Yeah, because I love these. It's like Christmas. We get to see what we get, and then we get to go and try a lot of different products for $50.